Today I'll show you how to export 4K videos for YouTube. It's a quick one, so make sure you use the pause button where needed. First of all, when filming, I'll make sure I film everything in the same frame rate. I'll record in 25 frames a second, I'll import it into a 25 frames a second timeline, and then I'll export at 25 frames a second. This way, I won't get choppy videos where it stutters on certain clips. It can be multiples of that frame rate as well. So say if you want slow motion, I'll be shooting at 50 frames a second or 100 frames a second. But if it's normal speed, I'll keep everything at 25 frames a second. I'll normally output in 1080p, but every now and then I'll output in 4K, whether the client wants it or I just want that higher resolution. To make sure that the timeline is the same frame rates as your footage, clear the timeline area and then drag and drop one of the clips to this timeline area. It will automatically create a new sequence and all of the settings will be the same as the footage. I've always done this and it's never let me down. Once you've got the edit to where you want it, click on File, Export, Media. This will bring you to this page. To get your base export settings, click on Presets and scroll down to YouTube 2160p 4K and select it. This gives you most of the settings that you need, and you just need to change a few more things to get the best quality. Scroll down to bitrate and change it to 2-pass VBR. Set the bitrate to at least 40 megabits per second with a 60 megabit per second buffer. If you have plenty of time to render the video, click on maximum render output and render at maximum depth. If you're in a hurry, leave these unchecked. If it's your first time doing this and you intend to make more videos, save these settings as a preset, then you can very quickly go back to these settings without having to go through all of this again. Then I output the video. With the bitrate this high, you'll find that the videos are quite big, but the quality is really good. If you want to see more videos, subscribe and make sure you turn on notifications. I'll see you next time.